A Georgia Marital Settlement Agreement is a document in which both spouses convey the terms of an uncontested divorce. It covers a full range of topics such as distribution of property, child and alimony support, and custody rights. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of Georgia Marital Settlement Agreements, some legal requirements, and where to get an official form. First, let's begin by looking at the importance of a Georgia Marital Settlement Agreement. The document outlines the basic terms of the divorce settlement, such as which spouse gets certain property that's jointly owned, before presenting and filing it with the Superior Court. An agreed upon document must be presented to a judge for approval if the spouses are seeking an uncontested divorce. First, let's review the benefits of the document. The Marital Settlement Agreement is essential as it includes a calculation of the amount of spousal and child support, records all the details surrounding the divorce, can avoid a formal trial in Superior Court, allows the couple to divide their joint assets, including real and personal property, documents the mutual agreement in writing with all parties' signatures, is required by the court when filing for an uncontested divorce, can be kept if approved as evidence in case any legal disputes arise, and specifies any custody arrangement, whether joint or sole custody. It's in the mutual interest of each spouse and their legal counsel to reach an agreement by using this document, provided all parties see eye to eye on the terms, to expedite the final judgment. Now, let's review some of the legal requirements in Georgia. Georgia is one of the 41 states that have enacted equitable distribution laws. Equitable distribution is the fair separation of assets, which also tends to not be an equal distribution. This dispersion will be left to the discretion of a judge if the spouses are unable to reach a settlement or face a heavily contested divorce. When applying equitable distribution, the courts take into account the duration of the marriage, what each spouse paid for, employability of each spouse, assets and debts of each spouse or combined, and sources of income and amount. Note that a marital settlement agreement can be used in Georgia to avoid distribution by the courts. If both spouses agree on most terms, they can file for an uncontested divorce, which moves through the divorce process in an inexpensive and efficient manner. Some other legal requirements to file for an uncontested divorce in Georgia include: one of the spouses must have resided in the state for at least 6 months prior to filing. A reason or grounds for the divorce doesn't have to be given, since Georgia is a no-fault state. And most importantly, a couple must create a marital or divorce settlement agreement. It's always recommended to have an attorney review the agreement and other divorce documents to ensure that all legal requirements are being met. We're eForms, the biggest database of legal documents. We've created extensive and state-specific templates that cover every last detail of Georgia marital settlement agreements. To get an official template that can be used to file for divorce in your nearest Superior Court, simply click on the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily videos.